What if I told you that most new traders on platforms like Olymp Trade fail? It's a tough fact. Some studies show that over 80% of day traders may quit within the first few months, often because they lose money. But what if I also told you that the biggest reason for this isn't a lack of luck, but a lack of a plan? Trading without a plan is like trying to navigate a new city without a map. You'll just end up lost. But today, I'm going to give you that map. We're going to build a simple step-by-step trading plan specifically for Olymp Trade that will give you structure, discipline, and a real fighting chance. Stick around because this could be the most important video you watch in your trading journey. Look, I've been there. I remember my first time trading. I saw a chart going up. My heart started pounding with FOMO, the fear of missing out, and I jumped in. The price immediately reversed. I panicked and closed the trade for a loss. Then, out of frustration, I opened another trade, bigger this time, to win my money back. That's called revenge trading, and it's a classic mistake. I blew through my first small deposit in a week. It wasn't until I stopped gambling and started planning that things began to change. That's why having a plan isn't just a suggestion, it's your most critical tool. So, in the next few minutes, here's exactly what we're going to build together. 1. We'll define your goals and, most importantly, your risk management rules, the one thing that will keep you in the game. 2. I'll show you a simple, beginner-friendly strategy using two of the most popular indicators available right on the Olymp Trade platform. 3. We'll walk through a hypothetical trade example on Olymp Trade step by step so you can see exactly how the plan works in action. Alright, let's get this done. Here we are on the Olymp Trade platform. Remember, before you ever risk real money, you should build and test your plan on the free demo account. Step 1. Define your goals and risk. First things first, why are you trading? To grow your income? For a hobby? Write it down. Now, for the most important part, risk management. The number one rule is to never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account balance on a single trade. This is non-negotiable. If you have a $200 account, your maximum risk per trade is just $2 to $4. This prevents one bad trade from wiping you out. On Olymp Trade, you can easily set your trade amount right here before you enter. So, do the math first. Step 2. Choose your trading session. The market is open 24/5, but it's not always active. The most volatile and liquid time is often when the London and New York sessions overlap, which is roughly from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. GMT. For a popular pair like Euro or USD, this is prime time. Let's focus our plan on trading during this window. Step 3. Build your strategy, the signals. We're going to use a classic combo, a simple moving average, SMA, and the relative strength index, RSI. Both are available right here in Olymp Trade's indicator list. 1. Add a 50-period SMA. This will be our trend filter. If the price is consistently above the SMA line, we're in an uptrend. If it's below, we're in a downtrend. 2. Add the RSI. This is our momentum tool. We'll use the standard settings. A reading below 30 means oversold and above 70 means overbought. Our strategy is simple. Trade with the trend, not against it. Buy signal. We only look for buy trades when the price is above the 50 SMA. The specific entry signal is when the RSI dips into the oversold area, near or below 30, and then crosses back up. Sell signal. We only look for sell trades when the price is below the 50 SMA. The entry is when the RSI moves into the overbought area, near or above 70, and crosses back down. So let's recap. You defined your risk. You picked your trading session. You have a clear entry strategy for buying and selling, and you saw how to execute it. Here's the main takeaway. Successful trading isn't about finding a secret strategy that never loses. It's about having a plan that helps you manage your losses and stay in the game long enough to let your wins add up. Your discipline is your biggest asset. If this video helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward trading guides. And comment below with the number one thing you're going to put in your trading plan. If you want to start practicing this on a free Olymp Trade demo account, I've left a link in the description below. Disclaimer, trading involves a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Trade smart, stick to the plan, and I'll see you in the next video.